Hello family, this is Unity and I'm here to do a Unity earrings of the week. Alright y'all, so I just uploaded a video and it's the Olmec head, freehand drawn Olmec head. When y'all see those fast videos like that, like the time lapse, those videos are not to be copied. Those are copyright designs. Now, if you see paid DIY, that means you have to purchase it from K.Noir Designs. And if you see just a time lapse of me drawing, that is just me showing some of the process of my work. So I just wanted to make that clear. They are not DIYs for you to copy. They're just me showing y'all a little bit of the video. That Olmec video, and most of the videos, they're usually 20 to 30 minutes. So you're going to learn history and you're going to learn, you know, technique and all that. So I just wanted to clear that up. So let me show y'all these beautiful earrings. All right. Okay, the first pair I'm going to show y'all are these. And these are called God Made Me So Dope. And I like the way I drew her, like going to the side, like she's laying down. And if y'all look closely, y'all can see a little eyeshadow. And y'all see her lips? She is so beautiful. So these will be on boabwart.com. Well, which is the Etsy shop. She's dope. So God Made Me So Dope. All right, that is the first pair. Next is these right here. And they're called the Embodiment of Beauty. So it was a sister online and she was looking for a catchphrase, a tagline for her shop. And I helped her out and I came up with Embodiment of Beauty. I was like, I'm gonna make me some earrings with that on it. So I finally got around to it and this is what I created. And she's just the embodiment of beauty. The black woman is the embodiment of beauty. All right. So that is that pair. And these will be on boabw.com. Still working on them a little bit, but by the time y'all see this video, they will be on the website. Another pair is these right here, and these are called Brown Sugar Baby. Look at Brown Sugar Baby. Remind me of Beyonce when she was on Austin Power. So yeah, so that's these right here, and look, her fro is so fly, right? Look at her earrings. So these are Brown Sugar Baby. Gotta say it like that. Brown Sugar Baby. Okay, the next pair is these right here, which they gotta be glossed. And these are the Queen of Knowledge. And I put like some light bulbs, like the light has came on. I made sure I put something on her third eye. She got her little glasses on. And she is fire. Yeah, so these are Queen of Knowledge. So these will be on boabw.com. And then this pair right here is a pair. I'm working with this molding paste. And I came up with these. They're one of a kind. They're so dope. They will be on K.Noir Designs. Yeah, so I made them with a molding paste. And you can feel the grainness, but they're very cool. I just painted the back like that. A one of a kind pair. And they are on Knoirdesigns.com. Alright, last but not least are the Lock Goddess. She still need to be glossed. She is on Knoirdesigns.com. She have copper jewelry fixtures. She have a black bead. And she also have sterling silver hooks. She is on Knoirdesigns.com. I'm having a raffle. If you want to get her, you can send $5 to the Cash App across the screen. DIY is coming up with her, and you can learn how to draw her. All right. So I just want to let y'all know that. Okay, so that is all of these. I have some more dope pieces coming up. Don't forget to check out the Quarantine DIY series. Also remember, if you see paid DIY, those are the designs that's on the website that's available for purchase. If you see me just doing a time lapse, that is just something I'm doing. It's not for you all to copy. Just give y'all inspiration. All right, y'all. Salam, salam.